Welcome to Island's Texas Motor Cars. We offer all makes and models, please use our inventory, and eBay feedback. We take building independence we offer, and this vehicle is no exception. You're looking at a 2007 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. Brilliant black crystal pearl coat exterior with pastel slate gray interior. This extra clean, fully loaded Pacifica is no exception. This Limited is loaded with features such as a fuel-efficient 4.0-liter V6 engine rated at 22 miles per gallon, navigation, rear parking sensor,